stars beneath the sky, northern spirits passing by, through the forest deep and wide, wolf of winter at her side. Silent steps on sacred ground, only whispers, only sound. Sings in hidden stone, waterfalls where none have gone. Through the mist the spirits breathe, ancient power underneath. Silent guardian of the land, walk beside her like a friend. Eyes of ice and heart of flame, calling softly Odin's name. Storm and shadow, night and flame, ancient gods, remember her name. Through the water, through the sky, northern souls will never die. Whispers through the falls, ancient spirits softly say.